Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here, click on Pixel Studio, and then on the left hand panel I want you to go ahead and click on this to use the selection brush tool. Then I want you to highlight over the object or person that you want to go ahead and keep and blur out the background for. So we are selecting this person, as you can see, and we have completely selected him. Now what we'll do, we'll come here to the top and we will go ahead and click on pixel, and then from here you'll see pixel selection, and I want you to click on invert. Now what this will go ahead and do, it will go ahead and invert the selection to the background. After that, what you want to do is click on this icon right here to open up filters, and then we have the Gaussian blur right here. This is a smooth blur you can use, can increase the radius and see what it looks like. Or what you could do is you could go for this other option, which is this one right here. This is the lens blur. For a more realistic camera look, of course, you can adjust this as well. And that is how to blur background in Affinity Studio.